Tout petit problème qui dépasse, on t'y parle à vous. Super. T'es qu'à régler, même simplifier. Tout petit problème qui dépasse, l'homme façon de tout. Y'ont t'y fâché, réconcilier. Tout le monde est compris. C'est comme ça,
Bonsoir Vayb.
Bonsoir.
Ça va bien, merci. Je suis Clémentine Ampana. Je parle français. I speak French. And I understand what you mean by the love that you feel from Dominica. Because I'm not originally from Dominica, but I've been here for like more than 10 years and now I can't leave. So I want to know from you, you said that the Caribbean is all united in music. And so how important was it for you to perform that song, that rendition in honor of Mika Ben, who also played such a huge role in the musical industry, not just in the Caribbean, but in Haiti and in the entire world.
Mika Ben was not only a friend, a fellow artist, like a legend, but also a fourth unofficial member of Caribbean. So everything big we were doing, Mika was always part of it. Everything big that Caribbean ever done. If you listen to all the albums, from only the first album he wasn't part of it, but the second one with Nasty Business, then we did the Upatsi live version, then he came back with From Sound Movie, Maybe I Miss You, other songs that he participated in that you guys don't even know, but it's important because just the way that he went out, at the concert, at our concert, so, keeping always contact with his family and always making the decision of always keeping his name out there, his music out there, so they never forget him. Because he was truly important for us, in the industry and for us in the music. Because, when I'm doing music, it's just a phone call away, and that's truly something that we do miss. Not having him, because he was always in the studio, always working, always pushing with new songs, with new sounds. So that's really, he left a great hole for us in our music.